Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 products from the most popular brands that are the best in the market. The brands and models I listed here have been featured by the most popular review websites, and they have thousands of positive reviews on Amazon.com. In preparing this list, I did a lot of online research so that you find the best and most suitable one for you. So if you want to buy the best one that's worth your money, then don't skip. Watch the full video. Trust me, if you choose from this list, definitely you will buy the best one from the overcrowded market. One more thing, don't forget to check the links in the description. I will see you in the next video.
The Potensic T25 drone is a beginner-friendly drone that has some of the features found in more expensive drones, such as a 2K camera, GPS positioning, and a return-to-home function. It is easy to fly and control and has a compact and durable design. It also comes with a backpack, 2 batteries, and a controller. The drone is easy to use and ready to fly out of the box. It has a 1-key takeoff and landing function, an altitude hold system, and a headless mode. It also has a GPS-assisted flight experience, which means it can hover stably and return to the point of takeoff automatically when the battery is low or the signal is lost. It can be controlled with the remote controller or with a smartphone app, which also allows you to see the live video feed from the camera. The Potensic T25 drone has a 2K camera that can capture high-quality photos and videos. The camera can be adjusted manually up to 90 degrees and has a 120-degree field of view. The camera can stream the video to your smartphone or store it on an SD card. However, the camera does not have a gimbal stabilizer, which means the video may be shaky and distorted. The drone has a good flight stability thanks to its GPS positioning and altitude hold system. It can hover stably and maintain its position even in moderate wind conditions. However, it does not have an obstacle avoidance feature, so it may crash into trees or buildings if not flown carefully. The drone has a battery life of up to 15 minutes per battery and comes with 2 batteries, which means you can fly for up to 30 minutes in total. The batteries are modular and easy to replace, and they take about 90 minutes to fully charge. It has a durable design made of high-quality plastic and metal. It also has a protective propeller guard, which can prevent damage or injury in case of accidents. The drone can withstand minor crashes and falls, but it may break if it hits hard surfaces or objects. The Potensic T25 drone offers a great value for money, as it has a lot of features and functions that are usually found in more expensive drones, such as a 2K camera, GPS positioning, and a return-to-home function. It is a good choice for beginners and kids who want to have fun and capture stunning aerial footage. The Hover Air X1 is a pocket-sized drone that has the AI smarts to track you with no fiddly controller. It folds elegantly and will fit in a big pocket. It has a 7K camera that can be tilted up to 90 degrees. In terms of flight time, you can expect up to 11 minutes on a single charge, which is respectable given its size, as well as multiple flight modes like hover, zoom out, follow, orbit, bird's eye, dolly track, snapshot, and manual. It also has a VIO positioning system that makes it stable and precise without the need for GPS. If you're looking for something easy to use and lightweight enough that you won't worry about damaging property or injuring someone while using it in crowded areas, then the Hover Air X1 isn't a bad choice. It captures smooth video at resolutions as high as 7K, so recording yourself or others in creative ways is easy thanks to its intelligent tracking algorithms. The main drawbacks of this drone are no collision sensors, which mean you'll likely crash into stuff if you're not very careful. The fact that 2 batteries will only give you around 22 minutes of flight time combined, which is very short when compared to drones from DJI such as the Mini 2 SE, despite them costing almost the same price and offering better features and performance. The Hover Air X1 costs $399 for the combo kit, which includes 2 batteries and a charging hub. The Firebolts 2S is not your ordinary drone. It's a powerful and versatile quadcopter that combines advanced technology and convenient design to deliver an unparalleled flying experience. With its 6K HD camera, you can capture stunning footage with incredible clarity and detail. The camera angle is adjustable up to 90 degrees, allowing you to explore different perspectives and angles. Plus, you can enjoy real-time image transmission to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, giving you a first-person view of what the drone sees. The Firebolts 2S also features a brushless motor, which provides enhanced power and longer service life compared to traditional motors. It can fly up to 25 minutes on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to explore and capture breathtaking shots. The drone has a remote control range of up to 800 meters, giving you ample space to fly and maneuver. The drone is easy to use and control, thanks to its multiple flight modes and features. You can launch and land the drone with just one button press or draw customized flight routes on your smartphone. You can also use hand gestures to control the drone's movements and capture photos or videos. The drone supports features like headless mode, altitude hold, and 360-degree flips, enhancing flight versatility and ease of use. S2S is also equipped with intelligent functions and safety features, such as GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, and obstacle avoidance. These features ensure precise hovering, stable flight, and collision prevention, making the drone safer and more enjoyable to fly. The Firebull S2S is more than just a drone. It's a cutting-edge device that offers an immersive and exciting aerial experience. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the Firebull S2S is the perfect drone for you. The Turcaso 1810 is a drone with a 1080-pixel HD camera that supports FPV live video. It has a range of up to 100 meters and a flight time of up to 15 minutes. It has basic functions such as altitude hold, headless mode, and speed adjustment. The drone also has one-key takeoff and landing, which makes it easy to launch and land. If you're just looking for something simple and cheap to mess around with, then the Turcaso 1810 is perfect for you. It's easy to use and has decent camera quality. However, it does have many limitations, which include limited manual flight capabilities, awkward app controls, no GPS, no obstacle avoidance, no microSD slot, low battery capacity, and long charging time. The device costs $59.99 for the device, only with one battery and USB cable included. The Haito BPM Degree 4K is a drone with a triple camera system, which includes a 4K front camera, a 1080p bottom camera, and a 720p side camera. It has a range of up to 500 meters and a flight time of up to 15 minutes. It has several functions, such as 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, auto return, gesture control, and 360 degrees flip. It also has a brushless motor, which is more efficient and durable than traditional motors. I'm going to be honest, I'm not really sure what 360 degrees flip does, but it sounds cool. The brushless motor makes the drone more efficient and durable than traditional motors. You know when you're looking for something that just works? This is it! The Haito BPM Degree 4K is an innovative drone that offers great features for an affordable price. Kids and adults can both use this drone easily. But don't get me wrong, this thing has some flaws too. It's hard to figure out how to operate this thing. The instructions are confusing, and even if you have all that figured out, the customer service won't help you. There's also no microSD slot, so transferring your footage will be difficult and take longer than normal. Its battery capacity could definitely be better along with its flight time. The Haito BPM Degree 4K costs $299.99 for the device only, which includes one battery and a remote controller.